If failure's been knocking you down, good. That means you're in the fight. Yeah, I said good. Because failure is like that gym trainer who doesn't smile, yells a lot, and makes you want to throw a dumbbell at his head, but still somehow gets you results. So if you've been collecting L's like they're Pokemon cards, congratulations. You're doing something right. Today, we're breaking down why failure isn't your enemy. It's your fuel and it's ready to be lit on fire. Here's the scam we've all fallen for. Success looks like a straight line. You think you're just going to wake up, then just get a brilliant idea, and boom, you're now rich? Yeah, that's not how any of this works. Real success gets real messy. Like trying to cook from a recipe you found on TikTok with half the ingredients missing. The truth is, people who win big, they have had to fail bigger. The only difference is they don't stay down. They don't just let failure run their end credits. Winners would take the scraps, slap some duct tape on it, and relaunch it. Let's take a moment and learn something from Thomas. No, not that Thomas. Thomas Edison. He once said, "I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work." This dude didn't just invent the light bulb. He invented persistence. He had 10,000 failed attempts. If Tom was alive and on socials today, his comment section would be going off the charts with haters. Bro, maybe electricity ain't for you. Just buy candles, fam. But guess what? Attempt 10,000 and one lit up the world. Literally. You think you're a failure after 3 job rejections? Edison would have hit rejection 3 before his morning coffee and kept it moving. He didn't just quote facts right there. He gave us the blueprint to success. We got to look at failure, not as a dead end, but as your GPS saying, recalculating. Now listen, we are not saying the feeling of failure doesn't suck. It does. It bruises your ego, punches your self-esteem, and then leaves you on red. But here's the thing. Pain is part of the process. And if you're feeling nothing, you're probably doing nothing. And if you're doing nothing, you're probably safe. Congratulations, but you're also stuck. Failure stings for a reason, because it's trying to teach you something. The trick is to stop seeing it as a dead end and start seeing it as guidance. Here's something we can try. Instead of pretending your failures never happened like a bad haircut, write them down and see what they taught you. List everything you could think of that took the fail train. And then for each one, answer the following questions. What did this teach me? And what would I do differently? This shifts your brain from shame to strategy and becomes the game plan to success. Another thing we could try is one more rep to failure. When something doesn't work, do it one more time, send one more work email, film one more take on your YouTube video, apply to just one more job, and turn every moment into your own Edison moment. You would never know if you're on failure number 10 or number 9,999. But the one thing we will know is that if you stop, you will never get to your breakthrough. Repetition builds resilience. Resilience builds results. Subscribe if you're ready to turn your L's into lessons. Drop a comment and tell me your best failure story. And if this lit even a tiny spark in you, hit that like button like it owes you money. Because remember, winning is fueled by failure, and you're just getting warmed up.